Tell me that person who wouldn't like someone who is not all that loose to leave the needful to be done and to be discussing not something that doesn't want to be discussed. It is hard, but it only takes a wise person and a person that had good leadership quality to maintain with that kind of life or kind of attitude. It is not easy. I respect that woman for that. Upon all the attack, all the heat, you will not understand it. After the shock of our PM that he left without anybody knowing his movement up till today, up till now, we are just getting information. The little we get, they will just pass it forward. But the main thing, we don't get it up till now. This one was having that shock on her. And after everything in the convention, another one, people that are supposed to help to make her to feel at home, to do the work that was assigned to her to do, they started attacking her again. If you were to be her, if you were to be in her shoe, how will you feel? But this is not what we are praying for, because we know that the spirit of Biafra will finish what it started. No, never. No more going back. We are not going forward ever, no matter how difficult. I've said this in one time ago. I don't know how I put it, that if it should come by a good side of it, it was good before. It became better, and now it's his best. Though it seems that it is turning the other way around, as if to say it is good, it is bad before. It is later came up to worse, and it is going to worse. If it's for good for us, if it is for bad for our enemy, because all this while nobody knows that this movement will still be until now. Even now that they hold our PM, it's supposed not. Everybody's supposed to be quiet as DOS who stay for days before they know that their leader has been. People, not even from them. It was from people that started asking questions. But now on our own, when it happened, is from the office that's supposed to talk, that raise alarm immediately. Not like the other side of it. So now all they are discussing now is our PM. Our PM. They should do him. They should put him in prison. They should. The person that you said that he should allow, you can do. Focus and bring our leader. So all these things is what we should be considering, and not use because of all these people who doesn't reason like human being, who doesn't think about what the harm they are doing, the level of harm they are doing, how it is to him, to their people. They don't care about it. They will be just doing it because their kind of person is the person that if they are not doing evil, they won't be comfortable. That is how this life is. If you're true to somebody, you will be finding it very difficult to lie. And if you are a lying somebody, you'll be finding it difficult to lie. Yet, you'll be saying that you cannot lie. That is the worst part of it. That is where I am even getting confused. That people who is the father of all lies will be telling you. They are even the people that always, before they say anything, they tell you that they can never lie you. That they can never lie. But meanwhile, they are the father of all lies. That is what I found in human being. And it made me, that's why I always say that I don't have best. You see this friend of a thing. That's why this thing that is happening, some use sentiments to side whomever they are siding. Maybe it might be that your friend is here. Let me follow people who are in this group. They are my friends. You follow not because this is the right place. I am not trying to say is it by this the COS or by the other group that is causing all this shenanigans. You know, we are getting this English from even the one that I don't know, but I'm hearing it from people, and I know that it's based on what we are talking. So these shenanigans that they are causing, that is happening now, whether you are by their side or the side of the DPN, that is Deputy Prime Minister side, it's not what I'm trying to say. But what I'm trying to say, some are just following because maybe these people, my friends, are here. Let me be here. Or maybe majority are here, let me be here. Or maybe these people is like people that can win, maybe be here. Or all these things, you know what you have in mind before following any group you are following. But the most important part of it is that your mind is telling you that you are doing the right thing. The only place I'm having problem with people is when you know that you're doing it wrong, yet you insist. Because I don't know why this DOS will not see that our PM is doing it right, and he's taking it, he's already there, yet they refuse. That's still our leader comes out. I can't get this in here. When I think of it, I say, is these people, are they human beings? The same thing that's happening now, let's wait for our PM to come out. Leave the structure the way he kept it. Should we remain stagnant to move ahead? That is my question. Should we remain stagnant to move ahead? If no, then why are you holding the government that have already been formed by him? Oh, not just that he wasn't with them and to say, now look at the new government. Fine. But he was fully aware that this government is here and he's a part of people that knows people that will take over. So why are you like, you have heard him say that they have formed government that is very strong, and they are showing it. The first time the cabinet members came up to address Biafran, I was shocked. I said, why won't people see something good and allow it? That is the problem that we are having with our brothers and sisters who cannot, when you have a gift, they won't allow you to show it out. They really like, why should it be you? Why wouldn't it be this person? Meanwhile, that person that they're saying let it be, they might not function. That's why I'm saying now that the BM is not there. I want to be hearing DOS making move to show that they are trying to bring him out. Nothing. Then if you see somebody that wants to do it, that is trying, you have seen him close the law court in the East. You see him there a lot of things. Put 1 month sit at home for this man to be out. Yeah, they are still holding. You that is saying stop, don't. What can you do? You keep your thoughts by keeping quiet. You say you are non-violent organization. You will stay in not that non-violent till that kingdom come. You will never get your freedom. Because go and ask questions from other countries that had their independence. They will tell you that it doesn't come free.